The structural engineering community can actually have a large impact on reducing global emissions and the embodied carbon that it's in the built environment. Structural engineers design the building blocks of the built environment. This means that we work with lots and lots of cement. On a global scale, cement production is responsible for around 8% of global emissions annually. This means that structural engineers have an opportunity to make a big impact in sustainability. One of the ways we can do this is by thinking about sustainable building materials such as low carbon concrete, specifically using Portland limestone cement in our concrete mixes. One of the most impactful methods of reducing embodied carbon in cement production is through the addition of limestone. Embodied carbon is the measure of all emissions throughout a product's life cycle. It includes everything from raw material extraction, manufacture, transportation, construction and installation, as well as maintenance and disposal. The binding agent in cement, known as clinker, is ground to a fine powder during the kilning process, which is an extremely energy-intensive process, accounting for as much as 90% of the overall embodied carbon in cement. In Portland limestone cement, also known as PLC or Type 1L, up to 15% of that Portland clinker is replaced with limestone, which is a softer material and reduces the overall energy usage in the kilning process. Research indicates that Type 1L cement is equivalent in performance to traditional ordinary Portland cement, but can offer as much as a 10% reduction in overall embodied carbon. There are case studies where they're substituting greater than 15% and they're seeing the same equivalent performance. So I think in the future we'll see greater substitutions of limestone with greater impact. So usage of Portland limestone cement has steadily grown in the US over the past decade. Here at Mackenzie, we are already specifying that contractors use PLC in many of our projects. Increased use of Portland limestone cement has been primarily driven by the policy landscape, which is mandating use of low carbon concrete in infrastructure projects, mostly in the transportation sector. So I think in the future you will start to see concrete suppliers trying to keep up with this demand, and you'll see PLC used in a lot more projects.